Two powerhouse business cards. One burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Unlimited 2% cash back with simple rewards. On the right, BofA Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. Personalized 3% cash back for your top category. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's how we're going to do this. We've got a bunch of categories lined up. Annual fee, cashback structure, intro rewards, foreign transaction fees, business tools, spend flexibility, and really who each card is ideal for. If you're visual, imagine a mind map with all these key points connected from each card, because we're about to hit every angle. All right, first up, let's talk annual fee. So, with the Spark Cash Plus, real talk, it's $150 for the year. But, and it's a big but, if your business spends more than $150,000 in a year, they toss that fee out. That's pretty sweet for big spenders, but not so much if you're under that mark. Now, the BofA Customized Cash Rewards, you know what? 0 annual fee. I mean, you literally don't pay anything to keep this card open. Gotta say, for most smaller businesses or side hustles, that's a solid win. Next up, cashback structure. So Spark Cash Plus is going to give you unlimited 2% cashback on literally everything. And, 5% if you book hotels or rental cars through their travel portal, which I think is kind of awesome if you're always traveling. The catch? It's a charge card, so you have to pay the balance in full each month. Now, BofA Customized Cash Rewards, this one's more like choose your own adventure. You pick one category for 3% cash back each month, like gas, tech, travel, whatever you spend most on. Then you get 2% on dining and 1% on the rest. Sounds flexible, but honestly, unless your spending lines up perfectly with one category, you might not get the most out of it. I gotta say, the unlimited 2% from Spark is just, predictable and easy. Coming up, intro rewards. So with Spark Cash Plus, they're stacking the bonuses. $500 if you spend $5,000 in 3 months, then another $500 if you hit $50,000 spend in 6 months. That's $1,000, but yeah, definitely geared towards businesses with serious expenses. Meanwhile, BofA Customized Cash Rewards, you get $300 for hitting the minimum spend. Not bad, but if you're after that big bonus, Spark's looking pretty juicy here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know, with the BofA Customized Cash Rewards card, you can actually change your 3% cashback category every month? So if your spending flips from gas to travel, boom, just switch it over. Foreign transaction fees. These sneak up on you, right? So Spark Cash Plus says no fees when you use your card abroad. I mean, if you travel or have international vendors, this is such a relief. On the other side, BofA Customized Cash Rewards is going to ding you with a 3% fee on every foreign transaction. 3%! That adds up fast. So yeah, Spark takes the cake here. All right, let's jump into business tools and perks. Spark Cash Plus, you get slick year-end summaries for accounting, easy downloading to QuickBooks or Excel, employee cards with set controls, plus all the security stuff you'd want. Downside? Not much in-depth expense management for big teams. BofA Customized Cash? Not only can you pick your 3% category monthly, but they've got their Business Advantage 360 dashboard for expense and cash flow tracking, plus fraud monitoring and purchase protection. Honestly, I'd call this category a tie. Both cards bring useful tools, but in slightly different flavors. Now, spend flexibility. This is kind of a biggie for some folks. Spark Cash Plus lays it out. No preset spending limit. It flexes depending on your business needs, which is kind of wild if your expenses go up and down a lot. Downside, you got to pay off in full monthly. With BofA Customized Cash Rewards, you're looking at your typical credit limit, just what you're approved for, and that's it. So, if you want to push those boundaries and need flexibility, Spark is the clear winner. Finally, who's each card really for? Spark Cash Plus is kind of the no-brainer for businesses that want that unlimited, predictable 2% cash back and are fine paying off their balance every month. If you do big numbers and hate surprises, this card feels right. But if your spending is more scattered or you're a lighter spender, BofA Customized Cash Rewards lets you optimize that 3% in your custom category. and you won't pay an annual fee. So each fits a different style. Totally depends on how you run your business. Okay, let's pull it all together. Imagine both cards side by side on a radar chart with all these categories mapped out. Spark Cash Plus shines on cashback simplicity and spend flexibility, with monster intro bonuses and no foreign fees. Meanwhile, BofA customized cash rewards, major points for no annual fee, and category-tailored rewards, with handy tools for tracking expenses. So, here's my 2 cents. If your business spends big and you always pay off your balance, Spark Cash Plus is going to make cashback easy, all day, every day. But if you want to dodge annual fees and have the power to max out rewards in whatever category you spend the most, that's when BofA customized cash is your best bet. If this face-off helped, don't forget to bookmark it for your next card upgrade. Catch you in the next Deep